Why is Thailand always the spot that people go
Because it's
to?
what everyone does. Everyone does it, don't they?
It's just because it's like so cheap, like just so foreign to us. What's exciting about Thailand?
Most people
Yeah.
don't go there. It's well known.
Yeah.
It's not considered dangerous, and
Okay.
it's got beautiful beaches, picturesque. So when you're in the UK, it rains all the time. Don't know. Obviously, America's fine. Florida, you're fine. It's beautiful. But when you type in holiday, you normally type in nice warm beach. Thailand solves that problem, and also it's cheap. So
people keep
that's why I
saying
go.
like go to Thailand, go to everyone's like saying it. I'm like, fine, I'll go. I haven't been in Asia. I have not been in Asia, Australia.
Why have you not been to Asia or should you say Thailand?
I'm taking my time with Latin America and Spanish speaking countries right now. I don't want to completely throw off my flow of speaking Spanish. Like at jiu-jitsu practice tonight, it was like a Spanish lesson the whole night. And so I'm just going to keep going until I learn Spanish. I'll keep moving around South America and the Spanish speaking countries, Central America, and then I'll do a lot of Asia after that.